to the microphone. Okay, does everybody have a champagne in the hand?
Yeah!
That's a good start. Are you having fun?
Yes!
Yeah. I think we want to pause for just a couple of moments and recognize the graduate. If you're pleased.
Way to go, man.
And many of you know, Pawan has officially graduated from Emory University with finance and investment banking. It's his passion to pursue investment banking going forward. So he has done it on a fast track, and we thank you, Pawan, for giving us a pay rise. We certainly appreciate that. Okay? So as Pawan completes this phase and gets in transitions to the next phase, we want to wish him well. We want to wish him the best of luck, and we couldn't have done it in a better setting than with friends and family that we're here. So with that, I ask Pawan to
Just shake it up, right?
let the market stabilize a little bit.
We want the board to stabilize the
So without further ado, I ask Pawan to cut the cake, and after that we have a few other things and we'll follow up. Here you go, Pawan.
Can we propose another toast?
Yeah, another toast.
Ramji, you are the best person. You propose, you propose. Come on. Come on down. Please.
From here I can say.
No, please, go.
While we wish Pawan all the best, we wish the entire family, the Nelluri family, all the best.
Thank you.
As you all know, this is a very significant celebration also of Ravi and Sujata for 25 years of married life.
After Pawan says to check out, a few more things to share.
One more celebration.
We have to sing happy birthday to Sujata today. We all expected that Pawan would graduate and all, but there's one more graduation that we really must celebrate, and that is Sujata's graduation. We want to sing it.
Okay, here is Sue Pawan again. All right.
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I had not seen this. They didn't do anything at home. I didn't know that I'd get this surprise.
Okay, in order of that sequence, Pawan is done first.
Okay, man.
Careful here now.
There you go.
Got it. All right. Thank you.
What's coming? It's coming. No worries. I'll also feed him. Why not?
Put it on my face. I'm going to get you.
All
All right. Congratulations, Pawan.
Hey, we want all Pawan friends to come here and shake hands.
Come on.
All friends, come on. All Pawan friends. Congratulate him. On the plane over.
Next case.
Go behind him. Go, Tejas.